In this video, we will show you how to update your zSpace all-in-one to the zSpace 2019 applications. The updated apps come with a new user interface, as well as improved methods to customize and share activities. To start, make sure you are connected to the internet. Open up App Manager and go to the top left-hand corner and select the Source option. You should now see several options. Select the zSpace 2019 option. App Manager will now refresh with new content ready to update. You may update each app individually, or you can select Update All in the top right-hand corner to update all of the apps that are installed on your machine. Please note that depending on the bandwidth, your updates may take a couple hours. Once the updates are complete, close App Manager and enjoy using the new zSpace experience. If you have any questions or trouble updating your zSpace All-in-One or All-in-One Pro, please contact support@zspace.com.